Hey y'all, it's T and welcome back to Tea Time. In this video, I'll be giving you guys our very last update on our dream home that we're building. They have already completed the painting. They have already added trim. They have added light fixtures, recessed lighting. They are doing electrical, finishing up the electrical, and they are about to start bringing in all of those many things that I picked at the design center that took me forever. And the house is now locked, so we can't really come and go as we please. It is now locked. The only way that we can get in is through our realtor. Okay, so this will be our very last update video. The next video that you will see will be the empty house tour after we close, and that's when you will be able to see all of the flooring, cabinetry, and other details of the home. Okay, y'all, as you may have been able to see from the title, there will be another giveaway winner selected for my 1,000 subscriber giveaway winner. My second giveaway winner has not contacted me yet, and it has been more than 48 hours. So I am here to pick another winner. All right, I have already pasted the video link here. We're going to get the comments. Again, there was 124 unique commenters. So we are going to pick a winner. Let's see who it is. All right, here is Hot Mess and Coupon Obsessed Mama. Thank you so much for entering the giveaway. You have 48 hours to contact me with your contact information and the type of gift card that you would like. Again, you will be receiving a $10 gift card to the store of your choice. Please email me using the email in the description box so that I can get your gift card out to you. All right, y'all, that is it that I have for this video. Thank you guys for watching, subscribing, and supporting my channel. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching.